Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of quadratic equation, and we have to this question is depends on the side of the triangle guys. So let A, B and C be the side of the triangle, and no two of them are equal, and lambda belongs to real number, and if the roots of the equation are the real, then lambda belongs to this, which lambda belongs to which set guys. You can say that A, B, C and D, we are having the four options. So first of all I am going to discuss about the triangle inequality guys. Triangle inequalities, right? So triangle actually here in this question A, B, C be the side of the triangle guys. So triangle, according to the triangle inequalities, we know that the mod of the difference of the two side is always less than the third side, right? So we can write here the A minus C is always mod of the A minus C is always less than the B. A minus B is always less than what? Less than, guys, you can write here the less than A, and B minus C is always, you can write here the C guys, right? And B minus C is always less than A, right? Are you getting my points guys? Okay, now we can write here we can square on the both sides. So VAC square is also less than B square, and AB square is also less than C square, and BC square is also less than A square. And adding all this term, we will get the value. You can write here 2. You can write here simply 2A square plus B square plus C square minus 2ABC AB 2BC plus 2CA, right? So this is the very simple guys. So you can write here 2A square plus B square plus C square after adding and opening the bracket, and you can write here the 2 into AB, right? 2 into AB plus BC plus CA, right, is always less than A square plus B square plus C square. Are you getting my points guys? Now we can write here, we can send all this term into this side and this term into the RHS guys. So after sending, and we will get the value A square plus B square plus C square, right? And less than, you can write here the 2AB plus BC plus CA, right? Are you getting my points guys? Okay, and after dividing, you can write the simply here. So A square plus B square plus C square divided by AB plus BC plus CA is always less than 2. So one information you must remember and we must keep in the mind guys. Now I am going to solve on the basis of this term guys, right? Okay, so this information is keep in the mind, right? So you have to keep in mind guys, right guys. So this information I got now, right? And after solving we will get this information guys. And now the equation is what? Equation contain the real root guys. So you can say that what is the equation guys? So x square plus 2 into A plus B plus C into x plus 3 lambda AB plus BC plus CA, right? Okay guys, are you getting my points? Right. So this term, so guys, this is the equation, and after solving, and actually d is greater than 0 is for the real number, right? So we know that d is greater than 0. D greater than 0, it means we can write here b square minus 4ac is also greater than 0. So what is the value of b square, guys? So you can write here 2a plus b plus c whole square. So 2 square equal to, we can write here the 4, and a plus b plus c whole square equal to, we can directly write here the a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? So it is the value, guys. And now after multiplying and after putting the value of a and c, so we can write here 4 into 3 lambda, right? Lambda a b plus bc plus ca is also greater than 0, right? Are you getting my points, guys? Okay. Now we can take the common 4 from 2 term, and we can send into the RHS, and it will become the 0 by 4. So we can write the 0 also, and after solving we can write here the a square plus b square plus c square and 2 minus 4ab. So that's why we can write here the minus 2 a b minus 2ab minus 2bc, and minus, we can write here minus 2ca, right? Minus 2ca. Okay, are you getting my points? And another thing is that you can send all this term into the opposite side also without solving. So you can directly because we have to find out the range of the lambda, guys, so we must need to send the lambda terms into the opposite side. So we can write here a square plus b square plus c square equal to 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to, we can write here, is greater than 3 lambda ab plus bc plus ca. Are you getting my points, guys? Okay, right? Now I am going to solve this question. So guys, we can solve further this equation, guys, and this is the information is very important for all of you, right? So after this we can send all this term a b plus bc plus ca into this side, guys, and we can write directly a square plus b square plus c square divided by ab plus bc plus ca, right? And this term plus, we can write here this term after taking the 2 as a common, so we can write here 2 into ab plus bc plus bc plus ca, right? And after doing division, after dividing, you can write here ab plus bc plus ca, we will get the value is greater than 3 lambda, right? And it can get cancelled and we will get the value a square plus b square plus c square divided by, we can write here ab plus bc plus ca, right? Are you getting my points? Plus 2 is greater than 3 lambda. Now I am going to apply the boundary condition. So for the boundary condition, you can consider this term is equal to plus 2, right? So after doing the plus 2 guys, so you can write here, this is the very simple guys, right? Okay, so after applying this boundary condition, you can write here this term is equal to 2, right? So you can write here the 2 plus 2 is greater than 3 lambda. So that's why we can write here the lambda is less than 4 by 3, right? So lambda is always less than 4 by 3. So it will be the correct answer guys, and I am going to check option A is the correct answer, right? So thank you guys.